Hello everyone, I'm Sarij Zulfikar and today I'm going to discuss the questions from the course outline of ICATS Mathematics Contest for grade 5 and 6. And the topic which will be covered in this video are shapes, positions and directions. Let's discuss the questions related to geometrical shapes first. Question number 1. In the diagram below, there is a square, a circle, and a rectangle. Which of these shapes is always similar to each of its kind? The options are option A is square and rectangle, option B is square and circle, option C is circle and rectangle, and option D is all three. So we know that all the squares are always similar because a square has same angles and all the lengths of a square are always of same size. The size of the squares may vary, but the shape will be always similar. Then if we discuss a circle again, the size of the circle may vary, but the shape of the circle will be always similar. But not all the rectangles are same because different rectangles can have different length to width ratios. So that is the reason we will select square and circles, which is our option B. Question number 2. Ansar saw a three-dimensional figure that had 6 square faces. Which figure could Ansar have seen? Option A is triangle pyramid, option B is cube, option C is rectangular pyramid, and option D is cone. So as we have to find a shape with 6 square faces, cube is our only option because here we can see only squares. So we will select option B here. Question number 3. A rectangular prism was made out of 3 blocks, each consisting of 4 cubes. See the picture. Which of the blocks shown has the same shape as the white block? So if we look at the picture here, 3 white blocks are given together and there is a green block under the first white block. So we have to consider that there cannot be anything under the first white block. So there might be a possibility there is another white block under the second and third blocks. So here, if we consider that, we can choose option A over here. That can be the same shape as the white block. Question number 4. If the figure shown is folded to make a cube, then what is the letter opposite to S? Options are option A is C, option B is I, option C is U, and option D is B. So here when we will fold this U towards the right side, then U will be at the left of B, and then when we will fold C, the C will be on the upper side of B. Then we will fold I, so I will come under B and C will be on the right side of the B. So it's quite obvious when we'll close the box, S will be opposite of B. So we will selection D over here. The letter that is opposite to letter S is our letter B. Question number 5. These dash are stacked in a dash. The options are option A is spheres row, option B is cube pyramid, option C is cylinder square, option D is cones pile. So here we can see that this is a pyramid shape made of cubes. So we can select option B here and read this sentence as these cubes are stacked in a pyramid. Question number 6. If square means circle, circle means triangle, triangle means rectangle, and the question is what is the shape of the sun? Option A is circle, option B is square, option C is rectangle, and option D is triangle. Here we know that the shape of the sun is a circle, but it is mentioned over here that a square means circle. So we will select option B here. The shape of the sun will be square and it will be understood that we are trying to represent a circle. Let's discuss the questions related to directions and positions. Question number 1. Ali walks northwards. After a while, he turns to his right, then a little further to his left. Finally, After walking a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns to his left again. In which direction is he moving now? Option A north, option B south, option C east, and option D west. So here, as it is given in the question that Ali walks northwards, so it means he is going straight. After a while, he turns to his right side, so we can make a line towards the right side. Then a little further, he will turn to his left, so it means he is going to move towards the north. Finally, after walking a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns to his left. So from here, the left will be towards the west side. So we will select option D here. So we can say that Ali is moving in the west direction. Question number 2. A man is facing towards the west and turns to 45 degrees clockwise, then 180 degrees clockwise, and finally 270 degrees anti-clockwise. In which direction is he facing now? Option A is west, option B is northwest, option C is south, and option D is southwest. So here it is mentioned in the question, the man is facing the west and he turns 45 degrees clockwise. When the man will move clockwise, it means that he will go from west to north, and this whole turn will be of 90 degrees. But he has turned 45 degrees. So it means now the man is facing northwest. Now the man has turned 180 degrees clockwise. 180 degrees is always in the form of a straight line. As the man will turn in the clockwise direction, so it will be exactly opposite of northwest, that is southeast. And finally, he turned 270 degrees anti-clockwise. It means from southeast he will go backwards direction. So 270 degrees, so we can make an arrow over here, because from southeast 270 degrees anti-clockwise will be exactly at southwest. So we will select option D here. Question number 3. A track coach creates an obstacle course for his team. The coach plots the location of 3 obstacles on the coordinate plane shown below. Each unit on the coordinate plane represents 3 yards. A student starts at obstacle A, runs south to obstacle B, then runs west to obstacle C. The question is, what is the total distance in yards the student runs to get from obstacle A to obstacle C? So the options are, option A is 45, option B is 48, option C is 51, and option D is 54. So as it is given in the question that the student starts from obstacle A and runs towards the obstacle B. So let's count the distance between obstacle A and B. So he has covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 boxes. And each unit is representing 3 yards. So we will multiply 7 by 3, which is equal to 21. Now from obstacle B, the student will run towards the obstacle C. So let's see how many units he has covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll multiply 10 by 3, which is equal to 30. So 21 plus 30 is equal to 51. We can say that the total distance in yard the student runs to get from obstacle A to obstacle C is 51 yards. Question number 4. Amir is at the 10th position from the top in the class of 50 students. There are 26 students between Sunny and Amir. How many students are there between Sunny and the last student in the class? Option A is 10, option B is 12, option C is 15, and option D is 16. So as it is given in the question that there are total 50 students and Amir is at 10th position. There are 26 students between Sunny and Amir. So we can find the total, that is equal to 36. We can say that Sunny is at 37th position. Now we have to see that how many students are in between Sunny and the last student, which is 50th student. So let's find out the number of students between 37 and 50. There are 12 students are between 37 and 50. So we will select option B over here, that there are 12 students between Sunny and the last student in the class. Question number 5, where is the train station? Different options are given to us. Here we can see different locations are shown to us, like flower shop, science lab, gift shop, hardware store, and train station. So we are interested in the location of the train station. So we always read our x coordinate first from x-axis. So the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate from the y-axis is 4. So it means that the coordinates are 1 and 4. So we will select option D here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.